In question number 18th, a rectangular sheet of 1045 cm by 24 cm is to be made into a box without top by cutting off square from each corner and folding up the flaps. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum? Okay, one rectangular sheet is given to you. Now this is also covered, this is also covered. What you need to do, you need to cut you need to take the definite length from this side and from this side, and I have cut it through the corners from the rectangular sheet. So after cutting it, it will make one cuboid box like this, which is without top. And what you need to do, you need to maximize the volume of this box. So this box is looking like cuboid. Okay, if I'll talk about the length is 45 centimeter. Let's suppose I have deducted x centimeter and x centimeter. So proper length, if I'll talk about volume of cuboid is length, breadth and height, L into B into H. So L will become 45 minus x minus x. So 45 minus 2x. Okay. If I'll talk about the breadth, this is your breadth, whole breadth. X will become cancel out, x will become remove it. So I am getting 24 minus x minus x. So 24 minus 2x will be the breadth for the volume of the cuboid. Okay, if I'll talk about the height of the cuboid will be this. So that means this is your x centimeter. So x centimeter will be your height. Okay, now come to the question. In question what they are saying, that volume of cuboid you need to, if I'll talk about LBH, volume of cuboid will be, we need to do the maximum. So volume is, L is 45 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x into x, and let the, firstly you need to write this, let the side to be cut off be x centimeter. Now volume is given this. Now calculate V of x is x 45 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x. Okay, after solving I am getting 4x cube minus 138x square plus 1080x. So V dash x you will be getting 12x square minus 276x plus 1080. So I am getting 12x square minus 23x plus 90. So after taking factors, I will be getting x square minus 18x minus 5x plus 90. So you will be getting 12x minus 5, x minus 18. Now if I'll calculate V dash x is equivalent to 0, I am getting x as 5 or x as 18. Now do remember, I will consider this point, I will not consider this point. Generally what I used to say, that whenever I am putting in the volume function, if the function is 0, then it will not considered as a point. But whenever I am putting x5, x18, I am not getting 0. But do remember, if I'll talk about length is given 45, breadth is given 24. So after cutting this, if I am cutting 18 centimeter, so if I am cutting 18 centimeter, that's not possible. 18 will become 36. So that's why I am not taking the 18. That's why I am taking x as 5. Now calculate the double derivative. If I calculate the double derivative, I will be getting 12, 1 x minus 18 plus 1 x minus 5. So I am getting 12 x minus 18 plus x minus 5. So V double dash x will be 12, 2x minus 23. So at x is equivalent to 5, you will be getting V double dash 5. Answer is 12 into minus 13 minus 156, which is less than 0. So therefore less than 0 means side of rectangular sheet to be cut off to make the volume of the box maximum is 5 centimeter. Okay, come to the question number 19. In question number 19, they are saying show that all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has maximum area. Now, this is your circle and this will be your rectangle. Now, let's suppose this will be your radius of circle. This is also a diagonal of the rectangle will be 2a. Let's suppose this will be your B and this will be your L. Now, what you need to do? You need to prove that this rectangle will have the maximum area and this rectangle is a square. That means you need to prove that length is equivalent to breadth. So to show area is maximum of rectangle and rectangle is equivalent to square. That means length should be equivalent to breadth. Later, by Pythagoras theorem, if I'll talk about this, then what I am getting, 2a square L square plus b square. So I am b square will be 4a square minus L square. The value of b is under root 4a square minus L square. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. So a is L, b is 4a square. Now I am having only one variable. Now calculate dA by dL. So I am getting, if I talk about 4a square, apply the product rule. So I am getting this 4a square minus L square minus 2L. So finally I am getting 4a square minus L square minus L square under root 4a square minus L square. Then after taking LCM, I am getting this. So dA by dL will be 4a square minus 2L square upon 4a square minus L square. So dA by dL will give you critical point by equating it with 0. So denominator will become 0. So I am getting 4a square minus equal to 2L square. So final answer is L is equivalent to root 2a. So this is your length. Okay, if I want to calculate breadth before the double derivative, B is given what? B is 4a square minus L square. So B will be 4a square minus 2a square. So B will be 2a square. B is root 2a. So that means L is equivalent to breadth. So this will become a square. Now prove area of rectangle is maximum. So d square a upon dl square, apply the question rule. So I am getting 4a square minus L square minus 4L minus 4a square minus 2L square minus 2L, 2, that is by chain rule in the numerator, 4a square minus L square. So I am getting 4a square minus L square minus 4L plus L, 4a square minus 2L square. So I am getting 4a square minus L square 3 by 2. So minus 12a square L plus 2L cube. This is 4a square minus L square raised to the power 3 by 2 minus 2L 6a square minus L square upon 4a square minus L square 3 by 2. So at L is equivalent to root 2a, you will be getting d square a upon dl square as minus 2 root 2a 6a square minus 2a square upon 2 root 2a cube. So I am getting minus 8 root 2a cube, 2 root 2a cube minus 4, which is less than 0. So area is maximum. Now come to the question number 20th. In question number 20th, what they are saying, show that the right circular cylinder of given surface and minimum volume is such that its height is equal to the diameter of the base. That means what we need to do, we need to show that height is equivalent to twice of r, and given is surface area of cylinder, and to show is volume is maximum. Okay, if I'll talk about r is the radius, h is the height of the cylinder, surface area is 2 pi, surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r square, 2 pi r h. So from here the value of h is s minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. This upon this will give you s upon 2 pi r minus r. Now volume is maximum, volume is pi r square h. So put the value of h. So I'm getting s upon 2 pi r minus r. So v is s r upon 2 minus pi r cube. So dv by dr. Now variable is r. So s by 2 minus 3 pi r square. So equate dv by dr is equivalent to 0. So you will be getting s by 2 3 pi r square. So basically s is 6 pi r square, or we can write r square as s upon 6 pi. That means r is equivalent to root s upon 6 pi. Now calculate d square v upon dr square. So you will be getting minus 6 pi r. So while putting the value of r square, that means root s upon 6 pi, definitely you will be getting less than 0. So therefore volume is maximum. Now prove h is equivalent to 2r. Now as per the condition, h is s minus 2 pi r square 2 pi r. So you know the value of s. S is 6 pi r square minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. So I am getting 4 pi r square 2 pi r. So this will become 2, this will become r. Rest will become cancel out. So h is equivalent to 2r. Now come to the question number 22. In question number 22 they are saying a wire of length 28 meter, that means a wire of length 28 meter is to be cut into two pieces. Now we need to make one square and one circle. Let's suppose from here I am cutting length L. One of the pieces is to be made into a square and the other into a circle. What should be the length of the two pieces so that the combined area of the square and the circle is minimum? Now see, if I'll talk about perimeter, let's suppose here I am taking length as L meter, here I am taking length as 28 minus L meter. So perimeter of square, side of a square I required, perimeter of the square will be 4 into side. So from here perimeter is what? Perimeter is L, 4 into side. So side will be L by 4. Circumference of a circle will be 2 pi r. Circumference is this. So from here I am getting r as 28 minus L upon 2 pi. Now if I'll talk about area, area is square of side plus pi r square, area of circle. So area is L square by 16 plus pi 28 minus L upon 2 pi raised to the power square. So L square by 16 plus 1 upon 4 pi 28 minus L square. So dA by dL will give you 2L by 16, 2 upon 4 pi 28 minus L minus 1. So I am getting dA by dL as L by 8 minus 1 upon 2 pi 28 minus L. So this will be your L. Now if I'll talk about d square A upon dL square. So I'm getting 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 pi, so which is greater than 0. So if I am not getting the critical point, but okay, we'll calculate the critical point for calculating the length. So L by 8 minus 1 upon 2 pi 28, because here double derivative is greater than 0 clearly. So pi L minus 428 minus L upon 8 pi, which is equivalent to 0. This will become 0. So I am getting pi plus 4 while calculating 112, which is equivalent to 0. So the value of L is 112 pi plus 4 meter for the square, and for circle will be, what will be the 28 minus 112 upon pi plus 4. So after calculating I am getting this. So this is the length for the circle.